Nah.
Okay.
We're back, and Peanut's
Yep.
smelling. Peanut, what are you doing?
And now we have food.
We got chocolate bunnies from our trainer, and cookies, and
Everything.
breakfast bars. Salt.
Huh? Oh, King! That was cute. Okay. And then our clothes, we found a nifty looking.
That's our Snuggie, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
What do we do now?
I don't know.
Peanut doesn't
But
like
yeah.
the camera on him. Did you just trip?
No. Spilled it. But yeah, we're probably gonna sweep the barn aisles.
And then there's my horse. No. No. I'm so hungry.
Dude, I feel you.
Hold the camera.
Hey!
We need to set it up somewhere.
So there's Kingaling. And there's... I don't know.
You don't know.
And there's Peanut.
Take off his fly mask.
The witnessing. Ooh, look at that.
I can see!
So, yeah, we got a lot of food now, and we're very happy.
You can't even see the food. It's right there.
Oh, I remember everything's backwards on the camera.
Oh, it's fun.
See, he's got his luck. I don't know what he's doing. He's probably gonna leave me.
Oh my
So-
god, you're so hooked up. Ow, I'm
Lauren hooked him up, and that's mainly the purpose for this thing back here. Well, it was when we went to get food that the horses would come out. So yeah, King is licking my finger now and the camera. Say hi, King. Sorry, my horse is trying to eat me.
Oh, looks like Peanut's eyeliner.
Huh?
Looks like Peanut's
Okay, I love you too. I love you too. He thinks I have food for him, but I don't.
Smile.
Ooh, he's getting better at that.
I don't have any treats. I'm sorry. You get love.
We're probably gonna go get treats soon too after
At the rain quits.
we do a few things. I know, he's being stupid. See, this is why I can't hold the camera, because my horse tries to eat me. Do you just want attention? That was good.
Your horse doesn't love you. Love me!
I know. King, put your nose in. So, we don't know what to do.
We'll check back on you later.
Yeah, so for now.
Peace.
Hey guys. Hey. Sorry for that break, but we are going riding now.
Yeah, we bareback. And
Bareback
we have
and-
our luscious paracord items that we're using, so we should buy them. But yeah, we have our cute helmet covers on because we're cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna head out. Peanut first.
But yeah,
Ladies first.
we're probably just gonna ride out in our little paddock area in front of the
Oh
barn.
my god, Peanut just farted.
Typical. And probably in the round pen and maybe even out in Peanut's pasture. But they have mares out there, so it's kind of unpredictable. So yeah. You want to take it?
Hello. It's me and Kingaling. You ready? He's like, no. So Lauren's about to mount. I'm gonna film her. Because why not? So, we really have no idea how this is gonna work.
I've done this before, but
No, but like after the weather and stuff.
yeah.
So it's gonna be very interesting. That's like in his mouth. I'm sorry. Ugh. Lauren, take it. I can't mount and have it.
Hey guys. Did you stop it?
Huh?
Did you stop it?
No.
I'm gonna stop it. And Kendall magically got on. I started a new one. And I already know Peanut's just gonna want to walk to the barn. So all he wants to do, like, ever. So I'm going to do the best that I can using my elbow to turn him around. And then there's Peanut's best friend, the guinea hens, aka he hates them. Kendall, you want to take this?
Wait, he feels sidestep.
Peanut's just like, what are you doing?
Hey guys.
You should have left the round pin open.
I know. So, yeah. So this has kind of been an interesting day.
Oh.
What do you think, Lauren?
I think you're probably gonna
Parkour reins. On your horse.
I'm not even trying with my legs.
I know.
Like, screw it. Don't get too close to the lines.
But woo, trot and pony. His sitting trot's actually not that bad. Oh, sorry, my hand is shaking because I'm trying. I want a canter.
Same, but it's really tight.
I know.
If we had the round pin open.
Yeah.
Undo the round pin.
Surprised he doesn't want to go in the barn. Huh? Oh my god, I know. My horse is a racehorse. He's been trotting circles for days. Ooh, girl. No. No, not in the barn, not in the barn. Sorry for that, Blair. Pats for good pone.
I love going up and down hills. That's like my favorite thing ever. I really want to go out into the pasture. Where are the girls at?
Everywhere.
They're down there. They're on the same spot. You want to stay in here or go out?
I don't care.
Tell me.
Sure.
Sure?
Sure. There's your answer. Sure. I mean, we have helmets on. So yeah. We just don't have the best. Yeah. Your phone's at 20%. Lauren's gonna vault on after.
I wish.
Watch him take off. Oh my god. I can't make him move. Come on. And enjoy Peanut's butt. Because he's adorable. And if the mares come up, I have to get off because King likes to be a mare and pretend he's in heat. So.
You don't have to get off. You just prefer to.
Come on, let's go. Come on. See? That's showmanship right there.
Oh.
Hey guys. Yeah. I'm really excited for summer. Ooh, that sidestep though, King.
Oh, look at that vault.
Here. Want to switch cameras?
No, I can't do that with him.
I don't know.
He's a butthead. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.
So yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye!